10-second operation. Effortlessly opens jars of all sizes at the push of a button. Universal fit. The RoboTwist is designed to handle jars of all sizes. Simply expand or contract dependent on the jar size. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Simple operation. Position it on the lid, press the easy switch button, and watch it rotate and uncap tight-fitting lids from jars. Perfect for seniors. Ideal for individuals with arthritis or hand pain. Requires no manual labor. Compact design. User-friendly kitchen gadget, fits easily in a drawer. 7.2 inches long. Weighs less than a pound. Power. Uses 2 AA batteries, not included. 1-year guarantee. The RoboTwist is built for years of use and backed by a 10-year limited guarantee. Customer reviews, 4 out of 5 stars. No. My wife has arthritis, and opening jars are a huge problem for her. Have tried a few different products, but with limited success. This product works extremely well for her. To the RoboTwist. Jar open. Opener performs the function for which it is made. It opens jars that hands find difficult or impossible to open. It is the answer to my recent panic question. What will I do when I cannot open a jar and no one is around to help, and I need to get dinner ready right away? This jar opener functions well, although it seems a bit slow. It has opened any size jar I have used it on so far, from quart size down to a small jar of pimentos. RoboTwist stores in the open position. To open a jar, I simply have to set it on the lid of a jar, press the on spot on the handle, and let it do what it is supposed to do. After the jar clicks open, the RoboTwist immediately reverses direction, spreads the claws apart, and automatically stops. It just has to be picked straight up off the jar. The opener seems well made with no external defects. The plastic and rubber silicone of which it is made appears to be durable. 3. Love it. Had to replace my previous one when someone put it on a jar wrong and blew the motor. Needless to say, they are not allowed near this one.